Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to turn off read receive on iPhone. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you will notice that iPhone have special features. For example, if someone send you a iMessage and if you read that, that person will know that you had read his messages or SMS. If you decide to turn off this read receive option, you can do that. You need to click here in this settings section. After click over there, to scroll down and then you're going to find here messages. After click over messages, you're going to scroll down and you're going to find here something say send, read, receive. If you decide to turn off that, you can easily turn off this. So from now, if anyone send you any SMS through iMessage, they will not know that you had read their SMS or not. If you decide to turn on, you can do just turning on this way. So within this simple way, you can easily turn off or off on or off read receive in your iPhone iMessages. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.